Alright, so I'm going to show you now how to actually back butter a tile, except I'm not going to mix any thinset. I'm just kind of doing this impromptu because Sal was calling me out and telling me that I wasn't showing anyone that I could do it a better way, or telling anyone a better way, or some bullshit like that. I don't even know what that old man was saying, but here, I'll just show you right now. This is a big old tile right here, right? 24 by 24, I believe, or it's a 20 by 20, not sure. Can't remember, it's been a long time. And I didn't mix any thinset, but you'll get the idea. So what Sal's showing you is pushing out, right? He's pushing it out, and then throwing his tile, and pushing out again, right? That's how you see it. It's very clunky, it takes him a long time. Okay, what you want to do is, instead of pushing out with that flat end, just spin your trowel, okay? Have that flat end come towards you. Now, when you're putting your thinset on the ground, say you slap a bunch of set on the ground and you start spreading it, right? You don't spread it up, do you? You don't. I mean, we do if we have to, right? But we don't generally do it that way. We try to spread it towards us, right? Bring it back, right? Okay. Same idea here. If you spin your trowel, and you put it the right way, that you can pull it towards you, and then you're going to be way faster. When you put the towel in your hand, put your hand flat. Spread it out as far as you can. In the middle, okay? And you're going to have your glob right there in the middle like that. You're going to pull towards you. Be careful of yourself. And then you're going to spin. Don't throw it. Just release. And spin it on your palm. Okay? So, you can see how it can be much faster. Be way more efficient instead of doing what he's doing, spreading out, pushing out, and being very clunky. Spin it, don't throw it, pull it towards you. All you got to do is turn your trowel. Okay? So there you go, Sal. There's your improved way. Maybe you'll be better at it too.